fighting every boss in first sea and in the second sea as well. But I have a challenge. I'm only allowed to use my fighting style, and every boss I fight, I get to move on to a next fighting style. So first we got Dark Step. Next up, we got the electric fighting style, and second of all, we got Water Kanki, except for the awakened ones, because I don't have those, so yeah. And I do not want to grind. So let's just kill the Gorilla King, then we can move on. Okay, that was easy. Now, next boss is going to be up is Bobby. Also we're not going to be doing the Saw. No Saw. Since I do not want to do Saw. I seriously do not want to do Saw. And he doesn't even spawn. And he would kill me every single time. I don't mind this person. I don't care about Fountain City. Oh yeah, and I have 5 health bars. If I use it, and if I completely use all of my health bars, then the video will be over. Now, after Saw, I think, yeah, it's like Yeti. It's like the Yeti there, and then Yeti. I'm just gonna go there, back to there, and now I'm just gonna have to like do a few. Don't mind me just using my other reviews. I'm trying to get the class, but it ain't helping. Water can still get trying to go all the way. Try to kill as much as faster for some reason. This movie over here. Yo, boss. Next time you get over here, baby. Time for you to become heat. There. Hey, that is not a magic. There, and then now it's just like Marine Fortress. That's approximately going to be right over there. This is going to take a while, isn't it? Oh, God. Oh, hold up, guys. Guys, my friend is here. Okay, yeah, he's right here. Yeah, he's right here. And literally right here. You can hear him talking. Might think it's a feather. Like and subscribe to his channel. For some reason, I don't know what's with his channel, and I never seen it before. Meow. Dead. Oh yeah, and fire. Oh, don't tell me. Okay, yeah, he like, yeah. There, then it's going to be like upper sky, then after upper sky, it's going to be prison. Which is going to be the prison. And prison, hold up. I'm just kidding. Bro, you can talk. You can talk if you want. Yeah. Bro, I don't know what's going on with him. I'm not telling him he can talk. And there's going to be approximately 4 parts for this. And I don't know why. Not FVJ? What's that all about? And it's going to be absolutely hard. Oh my gosh, where's it? There's a hacker. There's hackers. There's hackers. I just need to kill both of these. And I don't know why. I'm even doing this one. Boom, bing, but. And I have overheat. Oh yeah, this is going to be easy. Breakdance. There. Now we're approximately not going to be doing squats or not here. So and what the hell? Oh my gosh, I'm just going to like okay, I'm going to remove my fruit. Okay, I'm going to remove my fruit because I'm going to be a non-fruit user. And I'm going to be only using my sword, my fighting style, and my gun. And I want the dragon storm. So yeah, next up is Magma Village. Magma Village. It's going to be hard since I'm only allowed to use my fighting style. Oh yeah, and also I meant to get the electric fighting style. I forgot. Yeah, I need to like, hold on. Here. What's with this message? Like, guys, look. Comment down below where is this message from? Like, is it a web? Is it a thing that we have to search up in Chrome or something? Tell me in the comments down below. Now, let's just like get the fighting style. And I'm probably going to be mastering it since I didn't even fully master it. So yeah, after a while, and we hit like down right there, and I'm just going to go over it. Yeah. And it's going to be hard. Now let's just like go over there. This might take a while, but then here. And I'm not just like, boom. He's like right here, and I already know the fighting style. There. Boing. Yeah, I have 2 moves on this. Okay, 2 moves. Now I just need to get to Magma Village. Magma Village, here I come. You can talk! You can talk. Guys, I'm gonna record a part 2 because I don't know, I can't tell you guys, so yeah.